It's a beach day.
Oh no!
No
What?
skins?
Hold on.
Clouds moving fast. We are headed all the way up to that peak right there. And then gonna catch the ridge line all the way down and ski the north face back to the base. And it should be pretty incredible.
Makes a big difference too.
あっちの方からボールを特に下の方。
We'll take a long traverse right there.
Cool. Holy cow. Did you hear the whooping back there?
I did.
Yeah. Yeah, he's got to just be over the ridge.
You want to have the honors?
Sure?
Dozo.
Oh, it's chunky in there. Oh, baby, that's gorgeous. I'm gonna go here and I'll take a look.
Yeah, man, take a look.
Yeah, it's good.
It's looking like a hole.
Yeah, that looks like a hole.